This video provides a summary of the topic, how does a nuclear power plant work?
Okay, so let's just summarize the topic that we've just done on how a nuclear power plant works. First of all, we had a look at what is contained within a nucleus and how changing what's inside a nucleus can release energy. So we saw that energy can be released in nuclear fission and in nuclear fusion. We saw that some common forms of nuclear radiation are alpha, beta and gamma radiation, and we had to look at the different properties of these different types of radiation. And we used these different properties to describe applications of these different types of radiation. We gave a lot of medical applications, and then there was also everyday applications such as a smoke detector. After this, we came back and had another look at exactly how power plants work. So we had a bit more of a look at electromagnetism, and you were introduced to Faraday's law, which tells you how a changing magnetic field can induce a voltage difference and hence a current in certain situations. And so we saw how in a power plant, a changing flux through a loop is converted into electricity, and this changing flux is generated from a turning turbine, which turns the loop, and the turbine gets turned because we have steam which is rising up and causing that turbine to rotate. So in a nuclear power plant, we saw that the heating came from nuclear fuel, and that this could be carefully controlled with control rods, which make sure that we don't have an uncontrolled chain reaction, that the reaction rate stays fairly constant. After that, we had to look at how we get the electricity from the power plant to our homes. So we had to look at the advantages of AC power with the transformer over DC power, which can't be transformed. So I hope that you enjoyed this topic. I recommend that you now have a go at the tutorial problems. Have a go at the problems yourself, and then if you run into difficulties, have a look at the solution video, which is on the next page of the tutorial booklet in Moodle.
Thanks to Seb Frick for filming this video.